I did not even know about that shit. What the fuck? I did not know it did that. Holy shit. This motherfucker is mine. Am I stupid? I turned the battery on to make sure the exhaust was on track, and then I couldn't remote start it. There was 2 cops on the street, which is kind of wild to me. Like, I mean, I've seen cops on the street, but not fucking 2. They were only like 100 feet away from each other, so they're definitely gonna try to gang up on somebody. 4 a.m. we gotta go to work, unfortunately. That actually is a cop. See, I didn't even realize that was a cop because I wasn't really paying attention. I mean, I wasn't trying to see if it was a cop. There's more people out at this time than I thought there was. The downshifts are like a bit rougher than I thought they would be. I'll slow down a bit because there's gonna be some open spots where cops can sit at in the grass. just so easy. It's just too easy, man. Like, it feels like you're going 70 in this car. I don't... Who gave me adult money, bro? I mean, this ain't a whole week of groceries, obviously, because it's 3 bags. But this shit is spacious enough. Gotta let the neighbors know I'm home, of course. We got the motherfucking DigiDash ambient, my color shit, premium, of course. It's a daily, so I had to go with premium. I was not gonna buy a Mustang that was not premium, because I got a bad back at the ripe age of 22. So, yay me. It came with these little doodads. Yeah, it works real well. See, you're stuck now. Boom. Why am I getting a phone call? Got American Muscle wheels with some big boy 305s, all seasons. Pilot Sport, all seasons. I don't know what brand bill this is. Look how dirty it is. Y'all see that? Can't really see. Yeah, y'all can see it. But I don't want it to rain again and then get dirty again, so I'm gonna just wait to clean it. But hold up. The fitment in the back is like, okay, it's not bad. But then in the front, it's not that good. I could definitely go wider, I think, but I would need a wire wheel too. So maybe just spacers. I know people don't like spacers, but I don't really care. But yeah, it's got the big brake up front too. I might also, I don't know if I want to keep the tints on here or not, because I mean, the headlights work fine, but I'm just not sure if I like how it looks. I mean, it looks pretty good, but I've seen a lot of people been having this problem where like the 10-speed will just feel jerky when it shifts. I know mine's got an open recall for the BCM. I don't know if that could really be it. I feel like that's not it. I can't tune it because it'll void the warranty. It is what it is. But yeah, make sure y'all like the video and subscribe, because there's gonna be a lot of videos with this thing. I also have a Twitch if y'all are into that shit, and a gaming channel, so I'll have everything in the description. Just a little like first day with the Mustang. I haven't even had it for 24 hours yet. It's been a blast so far. I don't regret it whatsoever. I'm in an insane amount of debt.